Hey Crypto Ninjas, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited today because we're diving into something that's changing the world of money and cryptocurrencies, ISO 20022. If you're new to crypto and wondering what this is all about, don't worry, I'm going to break it down in a simple way so you can understand why it's a big deal. This is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. So, what is ISO 20022? Think of it as a new global rulebook for how banks and financial companies talk to each other. Right now, banks use different systems to send money across the world, and it's like everyone's speaking different languages. This makes things slow, expensive, and sometimes messy. ISO 20022 is like a universal language that helps banks share information about payments quickly and clearly. It's a standard, or a set of rules, that makes money transfers smoother, whether it's between banks or even involving cryptocurrencies. Who created ISO 20022? It was developed by a group called the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO for short. They're a global team based in Switzerland that makes standards for all kinds of industries, not just finance. For ISO 20022, they worked with big players in the financial world, like SWIFT, which is a huge network banks use to send money internationally. SWIFT is helping roll out this standard, and it's expected to be fully in place by November 2025. What does ISO 20022 do? It's all about making financial messages clear and detailed. For example, when you send money, ISO 20022 makes sure the message includes things like who's sending it, who's getting it, and why, all in a super organized way. This cuts down on errors and delays. It also handles a ton of different payments, like bank transfers, credit card payments, and even crypto transactions. It's like upgrading from a clunky old phone to a shiny new smartphone for sending money. Why is this so important? ISO 20022 is a game changer because it makes everything faster, cheaper. Now, which cryptocurrencies are part of ISO 20022? Not all cryptos are involved, but some are designed to work with this standard, making them more likely to be used by banks. The big ones include XRP by Ripple, which is built to help banks move money fast across borders. There's also XLM by Stellar, which focuses on connecting banks and people for cheap transfers. Others include XDC Network, Algorand, Quant, Hedera, IOTA, and Cardano. These cryptos are set up to talk the same language as banks, which could give them a big edge as ISO 20022 becomes the global standard by 2025. So, there you have it, ISO 20022 in a nutshell. It's a new way for banks and cryptos to work together, making money transfers faster, clearer, and more connected. If you want to stay ahead in crypto, keep an eye on ISO 20022 and those compliant coins like XRP and XLM. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Drop a comment below. What do you think about ISO 20022?